Here's a mini split installed a little bit ago. Don't have any installation footage, but it's actually a Mexican market unit. Not in a Mexican market, mind you, but purchased from Mexico. You see it's got the display in Celsius there. It's a set point. So it appears to be running pretty good. Mirage unit. Rig is pretty popular there. A pretty short run. That's the light there. Condenser units just on the outside of that wall there. Had to add a little bit from the factory line set. I had a little leftover from a Mitsubishi unit, so. What's strange to me is that the main power comes in here to the indoor unit, and then it sends its communication. It goes from there to the outdoor unit, whereas typically you have the main power coming in to the outdoor unit and a disconnect. And but for whatever reason, this unit is designed a little bit different, and that's just the way it is. Yeah, and here's the condensing unit. Nice. Racked pretty nicely on this wall with some unistrut. That's pretty nice, anyways. And this is a little bit of leftover line set from the last Mitsubishi unit I did. And it's this installation. This is really nice, high quality stuff in comparison to what came with the unit. This is definitely an economy model. And then we installed a disconnect, which is kind of redundant. I just brought it with me because I thought it was typical wiring, but so it's kind of doesn't really disconnect everything, so I don't know. But yeah, it's humming away, runs nicely in heating and cooling.